Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how to do book printing if you want to start a book printing business, and if you are wondering how book printing works and how you can easily start it. So I'll be walking you through the whole process. Actually, we also do book printing and book publishing, so I just wanted to make a video on how you can easily publish your basically print your book, and what are the types of machines that is required to print your books. So I'll be going through all the details and everything. I will give you an overview how it works and what are the equipments that you need. So the scale matters. If you are making large scale books, if you are looking to manufacture nearly 30,000 40,000 books a day, then you need a completely different setup. And if you want to print book on demand, that is called POD, print on demand. And if you want to make on order or print on order, that is what we do. If you want to make single piece, 10 piece, 10 books, one book, or 200 pieces, so in that situation you will have a different setup, but the whole process will be more or less the same thing. So when we are looking to print a book, what do we need? So primarily we need a printing machine. You can have offset machine or digital printing machine. Offset machine is required when you have a huge volume, right? So I'll just show you. These are the machines. Like these are the machines. These are offset printing machines, and these are typically used for huge amount of printing daily. If you are printing a near about 30,000, 40,000, 80,000 or 100,000 books every single day, then you need this kind of setup. This is very huge, but typically because the market is shrinking and people are people typically don't want to stock a huge amount of book, and they do not want to spend a lot of amount on printing and keeping those books. So right now print on demand is growing, and the market is growing, and that is what we do. So at Kitablen, primarily what we do is we print, publish, and sell your book, and you can easily sell your book easily through us. We help you with printing your book, and if you are a publisher, if you want to sell in India, we can help you with that. We work with publishers across across the world. We work with them and help them bring their books in India. And also, if you're an author, if you want to publish a book in India for free, definitely you can contact us. So these are the three things that we do. We publish, print, and sell your books in India, and we help you reach the larger audience. So the first thing that you require is a printing machine. So here, as I mentioned earlier, so the printing machine typically starts from 1 lakh rupees, right? 1 lakh rupees to 3 crore, it goes up to that range. So in that situation, if for example, if you are looking to, I'll just walk you through how it works. So here, this is one video from in-house book production. This is also a company, I think, based out of Australia. They also print books. So this is the final product, as you are able to see here. This is the book cover design, and what they are doing right now is they are going to so this is what we call, this is a production machine. This is a production printer. So the main objective of this machine is to print on large scale. This is before you invest or go to a offset machine. And here, as you can see, it typically prints at a larger speed, and the cost is much low. It is relatively cheap. The cost is cheap, not the quality. And after the cover has been printed, the inside pages have been printed, there is lamination. Lamination is done on the cover. So here there is lamination which is done here. This is done, you can do matte lamination or gloss lamination. After the lamination is done, here right now the inside pages of the book will be printed. Now they will be printing the inside pages. So here you can see these are the inside pages which are being printed. This is how it is printed. And after the printing is done, these are larger sheets and they will be cut to size. So from a single pass or a single print, they can create multiple books. This is how it is done very easily. And this is a cutting machine using which the paper is cut and made to size. So you need a cutting machine, you need a printing machine, you need a lamination machine here. And after the inside pages have been cut to size, and the cover has been laminated, and the book is relatively ready. Right now what you need to do is you need to bind it. So there is this machine which is called perfect binder. This is a perfect binder. Now the book has been run through a perfect binder, and perfect binder is primarily going to bind it together and make it into a book. And after perfect binding is done, then the 3 edges are trimmed and the book is finished. So this is how it works. This is a binding machine. This is a single clamp binding machine. This is how the cover is put here, the inside pages are put here, and this is clamped together. There is a hot glue which basically clamps the paper together with the cover, and after the cover has been put here, it is cut to piece. The three edges are they are trimmed as per size. So this is a binding machine. There is the inside pages, this is the cover. Now they are going to run the machine, and the machine is going to pass through this and is going to stick that cover to the inside pages. And this is how it is done. This is all book printing is all about, but it depends on your scale. So this is the whole process, and it all depends. If you're just starting out, then you have to buy, as I mentioned earlier, what do you need to buy? You need to buy a printer, you need to buy a laminator, you need to buy a paper cutting machine, and you need to buy a perfect binding machine. These are the 4 machines that you require to start your printing business. So in this situation, the printer cost varies around from 60-70,000 rupees, that is Indian rupees, and if I consider dollar, then it will be approximately $1,000. It starts from $1,000 to $1,500. You can get a cheap photocopy machine and start with that. It will be single color, and then you can proceed further to the production machine that I showed you here. And the production machine typically costs around $10,000 to $15,000, depending on the model and the company. And if I convert that into Indian rupees, that will be approximately 7 to 10 lakh rupees. So that is a barrier that you need to go across if you want to move into this business. And the perfect binder machine typically starts from 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, and it goes up to 15 lakh rupees. And the next thing is paper cutting machine. So you can buy a local made paper cutting machine approximately for 1 lakh rupees, and it goes, if you want the machine that you saw, that is automatic machine in this video that you saw, this is automatic machine. So this will cost you approximately 3 to 5 lakh rupees, or approximately $7,000, approximately $6,000 to 8,000, or $6,000 to $12,000, depending on the size, the blade size. This is a perfect binding machine. This is automatic, so I'm pretty much sure this will cost around 7 to 8 lakh rupees. More than I'm pretty much sure it will cost more than that. Sometimes it does cost around $80,000 as well. So depending on the speed and the features that you are putting there. So a typical cheap lamination machine will cost you about 20,000 rupees, or this machine that you see here, auto feed and everything, typically this will cost you around 4 lakh rupees. So this is how it all depends on the volume and the manpower that you are applying. So you need to keep that in mind. So this is how book printing is done, and these are the machines that you need. And if you want to start entry-level business, typically you need minimum investment of 5 lakh rupees. You can definitely buy used machines, because these machines are not scrapped. They have a huge life, they have a very long life. A paper cutting machine can last for approximately 40 to 50 years. A perfect binding machine can run for 18 to 20 years. So they have a long life if you are able to maintain it properly. So that is something which I wanted to share with you. And if you want to have a little bit more volume, and if you want a little bit of more automation, then typically your investment will be approximately 15 to 75 lakh rupees. And for a medium scale production, that is approximately 2000 to 8,000 books a day. And if you are looking for very high-end completely automated production line, then you have to spend approximately 1 to 2 crore. That is the entry level setup, and it can definitely go up to 20 crore, 30 crore, depending on the volume that you have. So that's about it. Very simple and easy, but make sure that whenever you are buying a machine, that has to have good service, because you do not want your machine to basically stop your production. You do not want that. So you need to have that redundancy, and you need to have a supplier which will give you good service, and the toner, maintenance, drum unit of the printer is very, very vital. And the printer that I was talking about, these are all laser jet printers. These are all laser jet printers. You can definitely opt for inkjet printers, but the quality of print of inkjet printer is not that great. The laser jet printer is the industry standard. If you are looking for inkjet printer, Riso is a company which is RISO. Riso company is you're selling those RISO printer. These companies, this company is selling these machines, very fast machine, very affordable, but this is inkjet, so the quality is little bit cheap. And Xerox has production machine. Xerox has a lot of production machines which are sold in India. Most of them are used. Rico is coming into the market and providing all the good machines here in India. These machines, you can buy a multicolor, you can buy single color depending on the requirement. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind, and that's about it for this video. And thank you for watching this video, and please make sure that you can definitely consider used equipment. That is not no problem at all. And if you are living in the US or UK, you can definitely go to for US, I think it is if you're based in US, UK, Gap Supplies is a company which typically sells all the equipments related to printing. You can go and check the website. And this is a machine which was, I think, manufactured in 1999. So 25 years old machine, still running fine, and it is being resold. So you can understand these machines have a huge lifespan, but you have to maintain it properly. There is another company as well. Allied Post Press is there. This is a perfect binding machine which is sold by them, and you can contact them as well. I'm not promoting any of them. I'm just giving an example how you can easily buy them. If you're based in US, so you have multiple options there. And in India, you can contact people who are selling print equipments, and you can just tell them that I'm looking for a used machine, and definitely they will guide you with that. So that's about it for today, and I hope this video was helpful. And I just wanted to make a video to just help you out if you wanted to know about how it works, what kind of investment you have to do, and if you wanted to start a business, because this business is growing slowly and gradually. And yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to print and publish your book easily, you can definitely contact us. The link is given in the description below, and if you have any question or queries, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to contact us, you can contact us on WhatsApp, or you can visit our website. Click here and it will take you to our customer care on WhatsApp, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Bye.